This is just a small video to make you understand, give a quick guide as to how to run any Python file in Windows PowerShell, or run Python in Windows PowerShell. It's also called terminal. The reason why I'm doing this is, as a non-programmer who's trying to learn programming the hard way through Z Shaw's book. It's very difficult for me to understand how this PowerShell works. And frankly, for such a simple thing, I had wasted almost a day. Had I not, if I was impatient to go ahead with it, I would have read it in the end of the next chapter. Zed has mentioned, he has explained all these things in the appendix of his book. Now, not only did I miss that, I wasted almost half my day watching multiple YouTube videos, and it was just uh, it was just very frustrating to not understand. So, first thing, if you see my file, this is how PowerShell looks when it's open. Now, first of all, I'm going to clear this by writing CLS. Remember this code. CLS means clear, so that there is a clean interface. Now, there is this file, text file which I have made. So, for example, you type any code you want. Like the first code which anybody ever teaches you is print. Print anything. Hello world. And also, just to add, hey Z. Okay. Now I'm going to save this file. I already have a file named exx, so I'm going to save this as exx2. And I'm going to not save this as a text file. I'll go for all files and give this an extension .py, so that this can be run as a Python file. All I do here is copy the path, right click, copy path of this file, paste it over here. Remember to remove all the things that I'm removing. Remove this .py. Now remember, user lavi is already here. This kind of prefix is already there, so I'm removing that entire thing, and I'm putting a dot to show that it is a continuation of the same path, and I press enter. Just look at it. The program will run, and it has printed hello world, hey Z. These are the two things which I had asked it to print. Now the second way Python works is just type Python over here after installing your Python software to check whether it's properly installed. If you enter, and if you get this kind of a detail stating the Python version and all, it's running. You can directly give a code here like print 3 plus 3 6. See, so Python is running. The only thing is you need to close Python. Without closing, you can't exit. So for example, exit, the word is used to close this PowerShell, but PowerShell can't get closed without closing this whole Python function which we have begun. All you have to do is use exit with a bracket to close the Python, or Control Z plus. Choose exit. Now if you type exit, it's gone. So again, let's try another example which I have. I'm going for PowerShell. By the way, I have pinned it to my taskbar as well. Now here I'm going to try a different file. So I have saved another file. I'm copying its path. Copy path. Again, the same drill. And let us try without a full stop. It doesn't work.